If you find the content relevant, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell button to get a regular notification. Also do share your experiences and any suggestions that you have in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed. Hi, Patrick here in the Ask Patrick series. The question is by Vijay and Sanchit Kulshreshtha. Question is, how do I strategize? How does Patrick strategize in the CET examination? Now, strategy in the CET examination is quite complicated as compared to maybe a CAT exam or maybe even a XAT exam. Purely because first is no sectional time limit. Like CAT has a sectional time limit. You have to only plan for that 40 minutes or that 1 hour which is there on the time. You have to plan for that whole 2.5 hours. Secondly, the questions are quite varied. I mean, you could have really tough questions and easy questions. Like puzzles has a very high weightage in the exam. You can't do without doing puzzles, but they're also tough. So whether we should solve it, not solve it, how many to solve, all that becomes quite complicated. What if the puzzles are easy in the examination? What if maths is easy in the exam? So there's a lot of uncertainty in the exam. You cannot know as to what comes easy or what comes tough. The best way to go about trying to strategy is write mocks. Experiment with mocks. So at least in the initial phase when writing mocks, keep experimenting. The moment you start experimenting, you start improving, and that is what will help you become better. So keep experimenting. I will come up with a separate video on strategy. How did I go about building my strategy for the CET exam? Which I'll do that later. Okay. But right now, the focus should be to experiment. Don't come up with a final strategy so early because you never know what works for you, what doesn't work for you unless you have tried. That means you can maybe one mock, try with starting with verbal section, going to quant and then maybe logic. Some other paper maybe starting with logic and then going on to verbal and then going on to quant. Or maybe you start with logic puzzles, go to verbal, come back to logic, then go back to maths. Dude, that's how you learn. Because what happens in the 2.5 hours of CT, the mind frame is different. I mean, the way your mind frame is in the start is very different from the way your mind frame is in the middle. Is very different from the way your mind frame is in the last half an hour. And you have to pick up those sections which you can optimize in that particular mind frames. That's how you define your strategy. Which comes only if you find out, write a test, and then complete. For example, initially I used to think that solving verbal in the start was good because it gives me a fresh mind. But then when I experimented during my time when I went about, I realized that solving verbal later could be better because it saves me a lot of time. No negative mark, I can solve fast and move forward. No sectional cutoffs also. So all that will play a role in finalizing the strategy. I'll come back to videos on that specifically for CET. But right now, my suggestion is focus on experimenting. That is what will help. Thank you.